Okay, in this video, I'll be talking of why you should play the game of money. Now, let me tell you, it will be a very short video. The game of money is the greatest game every man or woman should play on this planet Earth. Yes, the Bible, the Quran, any spiritual book made us to understand that money answers all things. Money is a solution to most of our problems. Now, in fact, the Bible in particular went ahead to say money is for protection. Money is for protection. Therefore, every living being, whoever you may be, should play the game of money to live and enjoy abundance. In a nutshell, it is a game of thinking how to get rich, remain rich, and how to master the inner game and win. You understand? So the game, you must play it. Why? Because it gives you protection. Money gives you protection. Money answers most of your problem. Name any problem you can think of. Money is a solution to it. I'm lucky to have a lot of rich friends. And we have interviewed a lot of rich, successful people. You understand? The whole thing is that they know how to play. The common factor among all these wealthy people is that they know how to play the game. They know how to win. They know how to position in each game. Yes. So the secret or the whole thing I learned from people are what the principles and plus the one I have are the reason are is the reason we are or I'm establishing this money series. Yes. So from now, take notes. Know that you need to make money. Why? You must play the game to win because money is for protection. Because it is for protection. Yes. It is a solution to most of 99% of your problem is money. Yes, money brings solution. I'm not trying to be sarcastic here, but most of us pray. We substitute the game with prayers, hoping for miracle to happen. No. So we must play. The reason we need to play that is the solution to our problem. It serves for protection. You understand? Yes. In fact, money is at par with wisdom. The Bible says money is for protection. Money is for protection, yes. While wisdom also protection. But the difference is that wisdom protects the life of its owner. You understand? So, but money helps in smoothing every part of your life. That is what money does. So that is why that is why we must play the game of money. As I said, I'll be rolling it out gradually. You understand, excuse me, you understand what I mean by that. And you have seen that we must go for it. Living without money cannot be possible, brothers. It is not evil to make money. It's not evil. Don't even listen to anybody. It's not evil. It's just that you must play by the rule. You must be fair to yourself, fair to others, fair to the society in quest of making money. It shouldn't be do or die. As we continue, I'll keep listening or coming up with things. In next video, just keep on or keep watching. Next video, I'm coming with another interesting topic that will start moving on the train of making money, keeping money, thinking about money, everything about money. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Happy watching.